Praise to Lord Jesus Christ. Good morning to all. Welcome to my blessing channel. This is part 2 about blessing. Bible book Genesis chapter 12 verse 3. It is written, God is promising to Abraham, through him all generations of earth will be blessed. This prophecy is fulfilled. Let us go through it briefly. Let us write or say some history, because we can see similarities in beliefs, customs written in Bible throughout world among different groups of people, different religion people. History of Jews started with Abraham. Isaac is the son of Abraham. Jacob is the son of Isaac. Another name of Jacob is Israel. Jacob having 12 children. From these 12 children, 12 tribes of Israel came. They made one country in approximate BC 1000 with Jerusalem as capital. First king was Saul, then David, then Solomon. After Solomon, country is divided. So many countries conquered them. Through different reasons, they are spreading to different parts of the world in BC time and AD time. Those people went in BC time mixed with the local cultures. Still some identities are there. Different tribes of Israel become upper caste people, and different caste, mainly upper caste people in India. Levi priest tribe became Brahmin priest tribe in India and Shinto religion priest in Japan. These three groups of priest people used to take bath before entering temple. But Buddhism, which is originated in India, have no custom like this. Regarding dress code of priest, it is written in Bible book Ezekiel chapter 44 and Exodus 28 of Bible. It should be from hips to thigh. They have nothing of wool on them. They shall not bind themselves with anything that causes sweat. Now also Brahmin priest in India using dress code, same dress code during prayer. They are calling puja. In Bible book Genesis chapter 11 and 12, we can see while meet each other, Jew people used to bow down each other. Japan people used to bow down each other. In India, while meeting with people used to say Namaskar, Namaste, Namaskaram, Vanakkam. Meaning is same, bow down each other, give respect. Jewish people used to pray 3 times a day towards Jerusalem. Read Bible book, Catholic Bible book, Daniel chapter 6. We can see Muslims pray towards Mecca 5 times a day. Even though Jews spread throughout the world, they used to come to Jerusalem once in a year. If we are reading Bible book Acts of Apostles chapter 2, it is written, there was gathering of Jews from whole world knowing different languages in Jerusalem during first Pentecost day. So many of them accept Jesus as Mashiach. Naturally, through them, Christianity spread throughout the world. so many Jews and non-Jews accept Jesus throughout the world. Through disciples of Jesus also Christianity spread. Most disciples of Jesus were Jews only. But majority of the Jews rejected Jesus. Jews are expecting Messiah will come. In AD 70 and AD 130, Roman authorities killed so many Jews. Titus Emperor burned Jerusalem temple. Jews spread throughout the world in large scale. They are known as Jews in different same name Jews at that time. Most of them came back to Israel when Israel is regenerated in AD 1948. This resurrection of Israel is prophecy fulfillment written in Bible book Ezekiel chapter 36 and 37 chapters. Now let us talk about blessing by Jew people to the world briefly. Goodness of science is blessing to the world. There are so many modern day scientists from Jew community. And throughout the world, so many big business people from this community. In AD 1840, Kanduri family developed Hong Kong port. David Sassoon, his life is AD 1792 to 1864. He was the biggest wealth generator in India, Mumbai at that time. That through his 17 textiles mills, he was giving employment to so many people. 60% workforce in Mumbai at that time. He made port in Colaba, Masina Hospital, bank, schools. He handed over Mumbai to his son Albert Sassoon and went to Pune. There was a big statue of Albert Sassoon near to Mumbai Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminal Railway. Small statue of David Sassoon also there. It is written Albert Sassoon, landlord of Mumbai. Another son of David Sassoon, Elias, with the Kanduri family, developed Shanghai port in AD 1845. In India, Kerala, Jew people developed Cochin as a big trading center. They developed Ernakulam market also. Near to Cochin, Mattancheri, there is a famous Jewish Paradeshi synagogue, prayer hall also there. Now let us talk about blessing by Bible, Jesus, Christian community to the world. On cross, it is written in 3 languages, Hebrew, Greek, Latin, INRI. Jesus Nazarenas Rex Judaeum, Jesus of Nazareth, King of Jews. Coming of Jews divided history into 2. Jesus told, we can say briefly 10 commandments into 2. God is love, Father. Love God and give respect as Father. Love others as you love yourself. In short, it is give respect, take respect. This golden rule, give respect, take respect. Equivalent rules and policies are implemented in most developed countries. Modern science is developed there only. So there is large scale development. If all countries can implement this policy, world will develop automatically. Jesus told in Bible chapter 25 of Matthew Gospel, Matthew chapter 25. If we are helping others in need, we are helping Jesus. This is a great inspiration for doing charity works. People brought one lady before Jesus, accusing adultery. As per ancient law, she should be stoned to death. Jesus wrote on ground, "Let the sinless one among you throw first stone at her." All left. Jesus told her, "Go in peace. I am not judging you. Sin no more." Jesus was implementing new law of love, gospel, mercy, forgiveness. Jesus told, "Eye for eye, teeth for teeth." That is not human. Replace with love. Love all, even love your enemies. Throughout world, through group work of Christians, universities, hospitals, charity works started in large scale. So many languages developed, made, resurrected, grammar books, dictionaries made. All sections of people got chance for education in their own language. So many leaders, movements started. So many scientists, reformers, saint people arise throughout the world. Abraham Lincoln sacrificed his life for giving freedom to slave people. Louis Pasteur, another great scientist, used to pray rosary daily. Another Catholic priest, Gregor Mendel, he is the father of genetics. Another priest, Father Damien, sacrificed his life for protecting leprosy people. Another priest, Maximilian Kolbe, in Poland Nazi jail, sacrificed his life for saving another prisoner. Then blessing in India. In India also there is great contribution of Christian missionaries in AD time. When they came to India in AD time, only upper caste people having freedom. Remaining majority of people are living like slaves. Christian missionaries made a revolution in education, health, social service sectors. Most Indian languages resurrected. So many languages developed, made grammar, dictionary books. India's Hindi language is made by Christian missionary William Henry Kellogg in AD 1875 by mixing 12 Central Indian dialects which have no writing. All sections of people in India got chance for education in their own languages. So many movements started, leaders came. India got freedom in AD 1947. Blessing in Middle East. Present Middle East is blessed, resurrected by oil. First book written about oil in Middle East is Bible. Read Catholic Bible book. Second by chapter 6. Word used is naphtha. In Bible book Deuteronomy chapter 28, Leviticus chapter 26, it is written, "If you are obeying commandments, land, climate, animals, kings, rulers, workplace, work, agriculture, parents, children, everything will be blessed. Everything will become blessing." If we all can think Father is one, we are all separated for different reasons. There will be peace on earth. May Lord Jesus bless you. Thank you, Binoy Pala.